Customer states, check engine light on. Scan for codes found. Intake manifold pressure too high due to wastegate. Alright, let's see if we can get a visual inspection on the wastegate mechanism. There it is. Arm is there. Nothing is there. Alright, this solenoid valve takes actually air pressure from the brake system and diverts it to that hose there, which leads to that actuator there, which pushes on that rod, which opens the wastegate. Alright, I got my Mighty Vac vacuum pressure gauge. We're gonna pump it up. Let's see if we can get it to move. Alright, here we go. Let's look at that shaft there. Nope, ain't moving. And we're already at 25 psi. So it's got a seized wastegate on the turbo, so this thing needs a turbo.